Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, once again, it's midweek. Wanted to put something together fast and easy and simple. So I put together the best, easiest chicken dish you will ever make. And actually, it's really good. A few simple ingredients like some tomato sauce, paprika, just a few things. You know, you can make it up in under half an hour. There it is, bang, boom on the table. And you are simply going to love this. So let me show you how to make it. So what I've got here, guys, are 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Now, you can use boneless, skinless too if you want, but just these are on sale. So I'm going to season these up with some salt. I'd say probably about, I don't know, a teaspoon in total. Some ground black pepper, and you know me and my pepper. I'm going to add quite a bit of this, but you know, salt and pepper according to your taste. Drizzle a bit of olive oil over top. And we're just going to go ahead and massage this into the chicken. I think chickens like massages. I don't know. Just so it gets in every little nook and cranny here. Okie dokie, next up some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. We're just going to let this melt down. Add in some olive oil to stop some butter from burning. And then our chicken in. Just don't want to overcrowd this pan. I'm doing 4. Of course, if you have the bigger pan, you can do more. Now we're just going to go ahead and fry this up, you know, for about, I don't know, 7 minutes or so. Just to the point where it's cooked through. Of course, guys, about midway through the cook, we can go ahead and give these guys a flip over. It's starting to brown up nicely now. Okay, guys, after a few minutes, we are nicely done. So I'm just going to take these out and set them aside on a plate. Next up, guys, in the same pan, I'm going to throw in a small chopped onion. Now, this is just a white onion. You don't want to wash that pan or anything on because there's great flavors happening there. And 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, depending on your garlic taste. I'm a real garlic freak, so I'm adding in 4, but entirely up to you. And we just saute this. I've lowered the heat a little bit for, I'd say, a couple of minutes. A couple of tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of paprika. And we shall just stir this around until it mixes well and kind of a roux forms here. Oh, but this is smelling so good, guys, with that onion and garlic in there. Look at just the color of that paprika changed everything. Now, a can of good old tomato sauce. I'm going to add some water in here too, but I'm going to add half the water, just a cup of water, into the can just to get any residue of that tomato sauce out. So in with that water. I'll just kind of give this a stir around just to see how things look. Oh, this is gonna be wonderful. And isn't this looking good, guys? Now the other half of that water, yeah, of course, once again, the stirring we will go. Now this is starting to shape up. But we ain't done yet. And last but not least, to make everything look nice and silky and thick, I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons, I should say, of heavy cream in there. Once again, a stirring we will go. Look at this starting to lighten up and get a beautiful, beautiful color here, my friends. Alrighty then, we're going to slip that chicken back in there. Man, oh man, guys, this is going to be super yummy, delicious. And of course, I'm going to just spoon some of that sauce over the top. Now we're just going to lower the heat here a little bit to about medium-low. Slip a lid on, and we'll let this simmer away for about 10 or 15 minutes. After about 10 or 15 minutes, guys, let's have a peek and just look at this. Ain't it looking incredible? Wow. So it's time to plate up. So let's grab one of these guys up. Might use something like that. And I'm going to serve these up over some of Dave's famous mashed taters. Let's get another one on there. Of course, you guessed it, I'm going to drizzle some of that ever so delicious sauce over top of that chicken and over top of those mashed potatoes. Wow, just look at that. And we'll garnish this up with some greens, parsley, cilantro, you know, whatever your preference is. Look at this, guys. Wow. And there you have it, guys. Some of the easiest, fastest, best darn chicken you will ever make. All right, let's cut into this, guys, and see what we got. Get a few mashed taters on here. I mean, it looks juicy. It looks really good. I just love that sauce. It looks so beautiful on the top, doesn't it? I'll bet you any money this is going to be good. So I just put a bit more sauce on here. Just have to have the sauce, but man, oh man, this is going to be good. It looks so good. So let's go ahead and taste this. Once again, guys, we've outdone ourselves. A few simple ingredients, half an hour, and this is absolutely super. Believe me, I wouldn't lie to you. It is really, really good. Chicken's tender, that hint of tomato sauce, I mean the paprika, Everything just blends together beautifully with the mashed potatoes. Could do rice, but I'm going to do mashed potatoes. Simply got to make this. And if you do, as always, leave us a comment. Give us a like, because it does help the channel out. And subscribe. I mean, what the heck, it's free. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.